I still cannot believe na mabot tayo for a year now, and I do believe na mas tatagal pa tayo together, lalo na yung magstay sa amin talaga for the longest time, and we're really looking forward for a great year by 2026, and we need the support of each and every one of you.
Yung pinapakita yung participation ngayon, I think that's a good reflection of everyday work ninyo. Kaya we were able to grow to this big, this fast. Less than 1 year pa lang tayo and punong-puno na yung office natin.
This is more than the money we can ever receive this holidays. Mark this date, December 24. I'm telling you guys, kami ang magiging leading e-commerce service sa buong Pilipinas.
A successful event of the year. I'm super happy as your host. Isang taon pa lang tong company na to Ang dami ng pinamigay. I'm happy na. Nakita ko sila na happy sila sa nangyayari. My heart so...
Giling-giling.
Hindi lang masyado namin na-express ni Richmond, pero sobrang thankful talaga kami sa tulong at sa presence ninyo lahat.
We don't say it enough, I don't say it enough, na we're thankful for you guys. From starting out na apat lang kami there with no chairs and no table, right now we're 50. All really thanks to you guys. Pero huwag tayo makapante kasi we want to go somewhere talaga. More than this pa. And it goes the same for everyone na we want you to grow personally, professionally. Kaya lagi namin kayong pinupush. Ayan, so thank you everyone.
And as we always say, here